so exciting. Hello babes, welcome back to my channel where luxury meets laughter and beauty has no boundaries. I am Shannon. I'm so happy to be here with you again. Today we're gonna do a good old-fashioned haul. I got some items from Ulta, which I will show you. And I did get a few pieces of PR. So let's jump into all of that right now. Brown Girl Bella. Hey babe, so we're gonna start with this box right here, and I believe this is something that I got myself from YSL Beauty. We love them. I got a sample of the YSL Love Shine, and I believe these are all ones that I have except for Rosewood Blush. So I have the Nude Lavare, I believe that's how you pronounce it, Nude Lingerie, you know I have, and then Rosewood Blush is the one that I don't have. And then here is the new Candy Glow. I think I put this on my community tab, but I got it in 3B, which I believe is like a rose gold. Oh yes, it is a rose gold. And the color that I got was, let's see, Rosewood Blush. So I got the third one. So I have now all three of the colors. That's so funny that I did end up getting the third color that was in here, Rosewood Blush. So that is this color. And let me swatch it for you. Oh yeah, it's a nice pinky nude. You know I can't resist anything pinky nude. So that's like a nudish pink. And I got it engraved with BGB for Brown Girl Bella. Hopefully you can see it. There we go. BGB. Arrived. We have our first monogram product. So this one is from my Freebie Fridays. So for paid members of Brown Girl Bella's membership, I offer on Fridays a free gift. All you have to do is pay shipping and handling, and the free gift is yours. Now, sometimes I do it for all of my paid members, and then sometimes depending on the product and what it's worth, I may do it just for my seasoned babes and my bougie babes, which is the highest tier. So this is for any uneven tone, fine lines, roughness associated with photo damage, drying, and scaling. This is for the face, the body, and rough bumps on the back of the arms. So you know those, what's called keratosis pilaris. And you apply this to your face, your hands, and body once daily for 2 weeks, and then twice daily thereafter as tolerated. Gently smooth on lotion until it disappears. And this product contains an alpha hydroxy acid, so AHA, that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. So use a sunscreen and wear protective clothing and limit sun exposure when using this product for a week afterwards. Recommended for those not sensitive to glycolic acid. As you can see, it is a full size. Let me look it up and see what the retail price is. $60. So we got a very, very good deal for this. Yeah, 200 milliliters, $60. It's for normal, dry, and oily skin. Next is this from LYS, and this is a t-shirt. Oh, it's soft. It's very, very soft. Okay, so this is a t-shirt, and it says, "Love Yourself." And it is a 4XL. So you can probably wear this to like bed or something. So I'm gonna go and throw this on. Just 1 second, hold please. If you didn't know, I am a LYS ambassador. They call us Confidence Crew. So I am a member of the Confidence Crew. So if you'd like to buy anything from LYS, whether it be merchandise or makeup, they have a lot of things for the face, the eyes. They have eyeshadow now. They have mascara. They have brow products. Basically everything that you would want for the face. And with my discount code, which is LYSBGB and the number 6, you get 20% off of your purchase. And what I love most of all about LYS, it is Black owned. It is female Black owned, and it is a clean beauty brand. So they don't have any of those parabens and things that are really bad for the skin. It's all clean beauty. And best of all, everything on the site, makeup related, is under $30. You heard me, under $30. So you can shop with confidence knowing that you are shopping Black owned, Black female owned. The products are excellent and they're great for you. So that's my spiel. Again, it's LYSBGB for BrownGirlBella and the number 6 for 20% off. This is a box from Pat McGrath. And when I was handed this box, I was totally thrown off because normally her boxes come in black. So I was thrown completely off when I saw it was a brown box. But inside it does say Pat McGrath Labs. So I know it is from Mother. And this is something that I got myself because, as you know, she launched 4 new blushes that I really wanted in my collection. And so I got Electric Bloom Glow and I got Luscious Lotus. Here is Luscious Lotus. Let me bring it back this way so you can see. And then I'm gonna bring it up, but I'm gonna try to cover it so you can really see. Oh my gosh, can you see how pink that is? And you know I love blush, so I'm gonna swipe it on real good. And then I'm gonna take my Pat McGrath brush. I'm gonna wipe it off, and then I'm going to start to move this product around. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. Look at how sheer it is getting from those 2 swipes. Absolutely beautiful. My goodness, look at that. Look at that. And of course you can build this up if you want more coverage, more color, concentrated maybe in the cheekbone section. You know, I love to do that, but I just had to put this on so you can see. Look how gorgeous this looks. I'm in love. All right, let me swatch it for you. So that is Luscious Lotus. Oh, look at that, babes. Look at that beautifulness. We have another one. That was Luscious Lotus. And now let's look at the next one, and that one is Electric Bloom Glow. I already know I'm gonna love this because I love Electric Bloom. That is one of my favorites in her collection. She did it 2 times over. The first time was in a powder formula, just Electric Bloom by itself. Then she did those blush duos and she paired Electric Bloom with another color. I have the whole collection of her blushes, and I'm almost there with her stick blushes as well. Electric Bloom Glow. So again, let me bring it in. So this looks deeper on screen. It is a vibrant orange, and I'm gonna swatch it. There we go. That is Electric Bloom Glow on the top and Luscious Lotus on the bottom. So babes, you already know I'm going to have the brightest cheeks this side of the Eastern Hemisphere. Okay. I'm so excited to have both of these in my collection from Pat McGrath. And of course her packaging is the same. Bring it in. There you go. Packaging is the same as she's done in the past for her blushes. So I went into my local Ulta store. It's the Ulta Beauty bag. I went in for one thing, and you know, it's kind of like going into Ulta and Sephora is kind of like going into Target, ladies, right? You go in for one thing, you come out with more than one thing. So let me show you what I went in for. So I went in the store for the Precisely My Brow. This is something that I have used time and time again. They kind of reformulated it a little bit. And I am in the shade number 5, which is a warm black brown. I found some things that I needed for my hair. So as you know, I've been really trying to baby my hair. It's been thinning mostly at the top crown where I used to pull like high buns and things like that. Some of the hair has become thin and some of the hairs have broken off. So I'm really trying to regrow my hair. And so I've been giving myself trims. I actually need to go and get a like professional cut, but I'm trying to wait because I know it's going to be dramatically shorter than what it is currently. So I'm trying to, you know, grow it out from the roots so that it's not such a severe cut when I go in for the cut. But I also want to make sure I'm putting the right products in my hair, make sure I'm really treating it well. And so I had those braids in and they were itching. They were really irritating my scalp. And so in that same section in my crown, I started really scratching and doing a lot of damage to it. So I'm trying to baby it back. And what I got is a Scalp Care by Design Essentials. It's an anti-itch and tension relief. It is made with tea tree oil and aloe. It also has peppermint oil, sunflower seed oil, sweet almond oil, cottonseed oil, sesame seed oil, and rosemary extract. So that will help thicken my hair. It'll help treat the scalp because you know hair grows from the scalp. So if your scalp is not well, then your hair is not going to grow as fast and as healthy as you want it. So with the rest of it, I'm just pulling it through my coils and making sure the ends are treated well as well. I'm on my nail polish kick again, and I saw these two colors and I fell in love, and I didn't know which one I wanted to get first, so I got them both. They're both from OPI. This one is called Pretty Pink Preserves. And I love this because I'm obsessed with those milky manicures, the ones that look like really milky, but they're soft and really creamy looking nail polish. So this is my first foray into that. And I love this color. And funny story, when I was checking out, the lady at the register was like, oh my God, this is so pretty. I'm obsessed with this color. And I was like, same. So I think she's going to get one as well. And then, you know, I love all things rose gold, but my rose gold that I have in OPI is really like more of a fall winter rose gold. So here is my rose gold that I have from OPI. I got this last year. It's a beautiful color, but I feel like it's more for the fall, the winter time, the holidays, because it reminds me more of like the holidays rose gold. But I saw this one and I was like, okay, this one looks like it could be for the spring and summer. So here is this rose gold, and I'll hold it up next to the other ones so you can see the difference. See, this one feels more summer, and this one definitely feels more fall, winter. So the name of this one is called Working Shine 25. I like that. And that is it. That's everything that I got. And again, big thanks to LYS for my t-shirt. And for all of you watching at home, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're new and you like what I do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload, post, or go live. Until we meet again, babes, you have now been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye.